Hello everyone, are you looking to buy a 2-bed condos? So today I'm going to introduce you to a 2-bed, 2-bath condos. If you are looking for a house to buy or you want to sell a house, don't forget to contact me. So today we are talking about this 2-rooms, 2-baths condo unit located in Marpole. So this is a very convenient location where it is actually in the intersection of West 57 and Canby. So it's the edge of Oakridge and Marpole, but it is still Marpole. So this unit, the master bedroom, has a walk-in closet. And the walk-in closet is a huge closet, so you can put all your clothing there. And the master bathroom. So the standing shower and the bathtub are separated. And there are 2 sinks, so the husband and wife can wash and brush their teeth together in the bathroom. So it's a very convenient bathroom. So for the kitchen, as you can see, this is a gas stove. And we have a dishwasher over here. You can put your wine in here. And we have microwave, oven, and a fridge. And plenty of storage space. So this is a pretty decent sized kitchen. And the plus side of this condo unit is the big balcony. So the balcony can put a table and 4 chairs so that the whole family can sit down and enjoy the scenery, 180-degree view. So what is the asking price? So the listing price for this property is 1.1 million and 8,000, and it's 829 square feet. Other than this, let's look at the benefits of this unit. It comes with 2 parking stalls. So 1 parking stall is pretty big. Even if you have big SUV, there's no problem to park there. The other parking stall, there is an EV charger over there. So if you have Tesla or hybrid car, you can just park there and charge your car. So this is a very convenient place. And of course, there's 1 storage locker, and it's nearby the entrance of the storage room, which is very convenient for you to put all your stuff in that locker. And what comes next? Another good thing about this unit is it comes with 3 bike lockers. So these 3 bike lockers are side by side when you enter the bike locker storage. So how convenient it is, come and take a look. So what are the benefits to buy this area at Marpole? This is a pretty central location. If you have kids going to school, it's about 13 to 15 minutes walk to Sir Wilfrid Laurier Elementary School, and it's about 18 minutes walk to Sir Winston Churchill Secondary School. How convenient it is. So if you don't want to cook today, go to Algan Cafe downstairs and enjoy your meal. If you don't feel like driving today, you can walk to, can be around 5 minutes walk and you arrive at the bus stop. So if you want to go by SkyTrain, no problem. It's about 13 minutes walk to Marine Gateway SkyTrain station. If you want to go buy grocery, there's one in Marine Gateway, T&T Supermarket, and the other at Granville Street, Safeway. So these two are actually located in Marpole. And along Granville Street, you can see a lot of restaurants over there, and there's some stuff that you can buy. And of course, Marine Gateway, it's known for its food and beverages as well. So if you want to go to YVR Airport, it's about 10 minutes drive to the airport. So how convenient is this place? So I love this place, and it comes with 2 parkings, 1 huge parking, 1 EV parking, 1 storage locker, 3 bike lockers, and a huge balcony. Where can you get it at 1.1 million and 8,000 around this area? It's hard to come by, the price is good. If you want to buy or sell property, please do contact me and I can help you out. Thank you for watching.